There we go. Oh, that took a second. Hello, my friends. Hello, hello. It is time. Oh, I feel short. Hang on. Let me see if I can fix that. I'm trying to play fetch with the dog at the same time because we found her bunny and it's her favorite. And yeah. So, hello, my friends. Oh, hang on. I can't get the comments going. Hang on. Let me get back to the comments. There we go. Hello. Hi, Gloria. Hi, Chris. Hi, Teresa. Hi, CS Thankful. Hi, Janet. Hi, Sandy. Hi, Gloria. Hi, Pamela. Hi, Jenko. Hello. Let's see. I know I missed some people. Hi, Kristen. Hi, Jennifer. Hi, Tara. Is it Tara? Hi, Sharon. Hi, Karen. Oh, I love when it rhymes. Hi, Wendy. Hi, Marianne. Hi, Dawn. Hi, Donna. Let's see. Did I get everybody? Oh, okay. Teresa, hello. Betty, hello. Norma, hello. I think I did. I get everybody. I don't know if I did. Hello, my friends. Let me just go back. So if you just happen to tune in, see, poor little bunny. If you just happen to tune in, we are going to do our live club reveal for our Fold It Club. Our Fold It Club is our shaped card kit club. Our shaped card club. I don't know where I got the word kit, but it is kind of a kit because it does come with extra things. It's our fastest growing club, although our diehard club is still the biggest. But you never know, right? You never know. You never know. Norma says there's a crowd tonight. I know everybody's excited about the release. How's my mom? She is doing better. She actually took some steps today with her walker, so that's very good. Your prayers are being answered, so thank you very much. She's been actually working really hard in physical therapy, so that's wonderful. Wonderful news. Thank you. Let's see. Hi, Darla. Hello. Hi, Sue in Minnesota. Hi, Mandy. Hi, Jerry in DC. Hi, Meg. Looking forward to the new Fold It. Let me tell you, you guys. Remember? Okay, so I gave you a couple little hints, but not really. I said, number one, it's really, really cute. And number two, it's kind of a pun. And you guys know how I love my puns because I love to like make fun of words and things like that. Jane says happy anniversary. Thank you. Thank you, Janet. Yes. Thank you, Gloria. Yes, today's our 36th wedding anniversary. I said, Kenny, what? Because we're going to a restaurant that you need reservations. Oh, and I said, when do we need to leave? And he goes, as soon as you're done with your live. That doesn't help me. What time do we need to leave? Poor Kenny. And then I felt really bad. He's like, I bought you some presents. I'm like, why? We don't do presents. And he goes, well, I love you, so I bought you some presents. And I said, well, I love you too, but I didn't buy you anything. So I felt really bad because then he's like, let's go open your presents. And I said, honey, I have to finish this folded art. I have to work on some packaging, and I have a live in 7 minutes. I can't. I'm sorry. I said, as soon as my live's over, I'm done for the night. And then I'm all yours. So that's what's going to happen. Men are very hard to buy for. You are right. Colleen says hello from Utah. It's her 54th anniversary. We share it. That is so awesome. Hi, Brenda. Hi, Kimmy. Hello. 36 years. Yes, I know. Isn't it crazy? My dad said, congratulations, 36 years. And I was like, Dad, 36 years flew by. Like, I feel like I remember the day we got married exactly, right? It's just crazy, crazy, crazy. Thank you, Jan. Nish said, happy anniversary. You look like you're ready for a nice dinner. Thank you. Thank you. I'm actually, is Gail here? Gail, I'm wearing the pants that you gave me. Gail is my personal shopper, but don't ever buy me anything else again, Gail. But I need to change my top. I didn't want to get anything on it. Let's see. Hi, Olga. Oh, her husband forgot it was his birthday today. After you get to a certain age, you're just kind of like, yeah, whatever. Okay. Those of you that just jumped on this video and you're like, who is this person? What is happening? My name is Stephanie, and I, along with my husband, own a company called The Stamps of Life. You are watching a live reveal of our newest Fold It Club. That's our shaped card club. And let me tell you, it is adorable. So I feel like I should just jump in. I have tons of samples to show you. Hang on. I actually, look at this. I can't show you, but, whoops, I just did. But I'm actually showing you my actual sample, my actual stencils, because I have, they're mine. Okay, let's jump in because I'm very excited about this, and I just showed you kind of a sneak peek. Are you ready? Get set, go. It is called the Hedgehog and Balloons Fold It set. Now, first of all, okay, do you guys get the pun? Do you get the pun? Because it's balloons and they can pop, and he's a hedgehog. So his prickly little spears, what are they? Spears, you know, spikes are going to pop the balloon. Do you get it? Do you get it? The whole like pun? Okay. Now, I've also included, oh my gosh, you guys. So I've also included extra strings for the balloons to make it easy. Quills. Thank you, Tara. Thank you. Quills. Goodness gracious. And an extra little die for like the ears and the eyes and the nose to make life easier. Now, it has cute little stitch marks all the way around his little quills, because I forgot that word, quills. And you get a handy dandy postcard, of course, right? Now, stencils. You get 2 stencils. You're getting an all over balloon stencil, And so there's that all over balloon stencil. And you are getting patterns for the balloons and a cute little edging of the little hedgehog, which is so dang cute, you guys. Now, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek, those of you that are watching. There is something coming this month, either July 7th or 15th, that coordinates with this. I don't think I've ever done that before, but I said this item has to come out this month because it would go so cute with this. So I'm just warning you. Now, not only do Mark Club members get the Fold It Club with all the extra dies, you also get the 2 stencils, 5x7 in size. And handy dandy postcard. And if you add on the stamps, which about 85-90% of our Fold It Club members do have the stamps added, you get the cute little stamps. It's a 4x4 set. And look how cute it is. Hedgehogs to you, or you could say hedgehogs on your birthday, or you could just say hedgehogs. And you could say living on the hedge, get it? Keep looking up, be fearless. And look, you get a mini version of this cute little guide to go on the back and to do your envelopes. Gosh, I'm trying to think too fast. But yes, so be fearless, right? Because hello, what's more scary than being a hedgehog holding balloons and going up in the air? I just love that pun, you guys. I just love it because it's like so. Like if it was a little teddy bear, yeah, that'd be cute. But do you get the irony of the whole hedgehog? I call him hedgehog going up with all those quills and his little balloons, and he's going up in the air. Now, I have tons of samples to show you. Now, if you are not in the Fold It Club, you cannot buy this. You cannot get this. This is not on my website to buy. If you want this one and the whole set with the stencils, it comes with the stencils. You can join our Fold It Club. You can join. We always order. Hang on, let me find I don't even know how much it is. You can join the Fold It Club and you can get this. We always order a little bit extra because we always get new signups when they see the newest set. But those of you that are already in the Fold It Club are guaranteed a set, right? But if you're not in the Fold It Club, the sooner you join, the better your chances of getting this one. So if you're not in the Fold It Club right now, join now so you can be guaranteed to get this one. Anybody that joins today or tomorrow, I will guarantee you will get this one, even if that means I have to give you my personal one. But after that, I cannot guarantee it because sometimes we get tons of signups and we just can't keep track and we can't reorder it, right? Once it's done, it's done. So yes, the little stamp would be cute on the back of the card too. I know, isn't it adorable? I love it. Now, the Fold It Club is only $29.99 a month. That includes the card base. This is A2 in size and the 2 stencils. And if you want to, you can add on the stamps for $8. Now, Debbie says, question, I'm in the Fold It Club. Can I still add the stamp set for the hedgehog? So Debbie, you can add the stamps to your future orders. And then once you add those folded stamps, you can go ask Baleen if you can add on this stamp set. So you only can buy, if you're not in the stamps already part, you can get this one if you go join the add-ons for the stamps and then email Faylene at info@thestampsoflife.com and she'll take care of you. Okay. But you have to be getting the stamps. You have to have signed up for the stamps to get this one. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Oh, Monique says Fold It Club rocks. Been a member since day one. Thank you. Oh, Lydia says she's going to go join the Fold It now. Lydia, You will love it. Now, I don't know if you're already a club member, but if you're not a club member already, you're going to get 15% off our entire website every single day, every single item, every single order, right? And you get club points, and you get a $15 gift certificate on your anniversary if you stay in a full year, and you get free gifts for joining. I just want you to be my friend, Lydia. That's why I give you all this stuff. Okay, let's jump in. Here we go. Look at how stinging. Look at the little patterns on the balloons. That's from the stencil. Isn't that totally cute? I absolutely love it. You guys, do you so see the puns here? You know, it's like, be fearless. Keep looking up. How cute is that? Here is one. So this is A2. Here is one on a 5x7 flip it. Whoops. How perfect is that? 5x7 flip it. Isn't that adorable? I totally love that. Now, hang on. I got to make sure okay, that one. Then I don't think I showed you that one, or maybe I did. Then look at him on a cupcake. Look how cute he is on the cupcake. Now, I want you to see the different ways to color him, okay? Because you can color him any which way. You could also color him blue if you want to. You don't have to just stick to brown, right? Here's a cute one on an A2 size card. Awesome, right? Here's one colored by himself. Look how cute that is. Will there be dies available for the stamp words? No, there will not be. There will not be. It's just the stamps. Oh, did I show you that one? I showed you that one. Now, here he is in pink, or she is in pink. This is with our folded corner die. How cute is that, right? Hedgehogs on your birthday. Isn't that cute? Now, look at this one. Look at how stinking cute. Look at how stinking cute. You could use pattern paper for the balloons if you wanted to. Look at how adorable that is. Here he is on a rounded A2 folded. Look how cute that is with the little party hat on it. Isn't that adorable? Now, here is the banner of all banners. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at the banner of all banners. Hedgehogs to you on your birthday. Look at those balloons in the background. Do you see the background? That's the stencil. The stencil on the balloons also. Look at how stinking cute that is. Hedgehogs to you on your birthday. Imagine giving somebody a gift bag. I wish I had a gift bag in here right now. And you tied this to the front of the gift bag. So you could go buy just the boring white or brown or whatever gift bags, right? And put this on the side of it. Now you've just decorated your gift bag and you've personalized it. Isn't that adorable? Hedgehogs to you on your birthday. On your birthday. So that is the Fold It Club for July. Let me show it to you again in case you are just tuning in. It is the Hedgehogs and Balloons Fold It die set. It comes with extra little strings for your balloons and the little eyes, the little nose, and all of that good stuff right there. You're also getting the balloon stencil. Look how cute it is, the balloon stencil. And the stencil for his little quills and the cute little patterns on the balloons as well. If you add on the stamps, and like I've always said, like 85 to 90% of you already add on the stamps. The stamps are hedgehogs to you, or hedgehogs on your birthday, or living on the hedge. Keep looking up, be fearless, and a cute little hedgehog right there in the corner. Oh, yes, please give us a thumbs up and a heart and a share and all that good stuff. If you're watching this on the replay, could you just type in the comments replay? We like to see who is watching afterwards. So my friends, if you're watching this on YouTube, also, please make sure you subscribe. I think there's like a subscribe button like right there, I think, if I'm on the right side. And click the notifications bell so you get notified when we go live. Now, this little guy is the cutest little thing you ever did see. So here he is on a banner. Here he is on a 5x7 flip it. Look how cute that is, 5x7. So dang adorable. Here it is on a regular 5x7. Here it is on an A2, right? So you get to do this any which way. Here he is as a shaped card. You are going to be able to decorate this little critter. Oh, here he is on a cupcake. Look at him. Look, he's like stuck in the icing. Is that just the cutest thing you ever saw? He is stuck in the icing. Oh my goodness. That is so dang adorable. Now, my friends, now is your chance to get this one. Once it's gone, it's gone. You can't get any more, right? It's like done. We don't sell these on our website. So make sure you go to our website, stampsoflife.com, click on join the club, and just watch the video that I have on the webpage. It'll explain the clubs more to you. It'll explain the discounts. It'll explain the freebies you get. It'll explain the club points. It'll explain the anniversary gift certificates, all that good stuff. And let me just tell you, too cute for words. I am telling you, look at how stinking cute that is. Teresa says, so excited to get this one. It's adorable. Thank you. Anne says, on a cupcake, you're killing me, Smalls. I know. Isn't it adorable? In the icing, you guys. I just love that. I just love that. Where did the cute feet come from? Let's find out. Piece of cake, frosting, flowers, leaves. I don't see it. Oof. I don't know. Yvette, you're going to need to post on where you got the feet because I don't remember. It's the paw print. I just don't know where it is. But isn't it adorable? So dang cute. Can I show it again? Yes, Rochelle, I can show it again. So what you're going to get, Folded Club members, I make a mess here so quickly. Folded Club members are going to get the folded die set, A2 in size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 when folded. Turn it over. You're going to get the string die and the cute little extra ears and all that good stuff. You're also getting 2 5x7 stencils. You're getting the balloons, which look like this, and you are getting this cute one to decorate the quills on the hedgehog and cute little patterns for the balloons. You also get a handy dandy postcard. And if you added on the stamps, or if you add on the stamps for an extra $8, you are getting hedgehogs to you on your birthday, living on the hedge, keep looking up, be fearless, and the cute little mini. Now, once again, Marla, what you're going to do is you're going to go to our website, and let me drop the link in here for you really quick. You're going to go to our website, and I'm going to post it in the chat right now. I think right now. There it goes. So you'll go to our website and click on join the club up at the top, and it'll give you all the information there. This is the Folded Club. This is our shaped card club. Also, it's limited. You cannot purchase it. You cannot go, like, isn't that crazy? You cannot buy it. You can't just come up to me and say, hey, Stephanie, can I just buy it? Nope. Exclusive to the Folded Club. I know, kind of crazy. Do you get the stamps if you join the Diamond Club? So, Sue, it's actually an extra add-on. So you can be a Diamond Club member and not get the stamps. But if you go to your account on our website and you go to your club section, if you don't already get these, under the Fold It, it'll say Add Stamps. And you can just click that and it'll do its magic and make it work. So, my friends, hi, Honeybee. Did you know my dog's name is Honey Bear? Pretty close, pretty close. Marla, become a diamond girl. Anna says, you're so sweet. I am so excited about this one, you guys, too. I'm telling you. Now, don't forget. I'm not sure if it's the 7th or the 15th of July, but something a little bit coordinating, which you're going to die for. No pun intended. What's with the puns? But you're going to die when you see how adorable. I think it's either the 7th or the 15th. I don't remember. But you're going to love it. And it coordinates very well with this one. So I can't show you any more sneaks on that one, but it's awesome. So, my friends, if you are not in the Folded Club, go join ASAP. If you are already in the Folded Club, you have one guaranteed for you. You don't have to worry. You are safe. You are, no problem. You're good. Okay? My friend, oh, Paula says she loves my necklace. Thank you, Brighton. It's very, very old. I've had it a long time. Carmen, no other releases tonight. Nope, just the Folded Club. Folded Club is so awesome. It's all by itself. Isn't that crazy? Okay, you guys, I love you all so much. Have a great night. Go do some crafting. Go make some cards. And go check out the website. I'll see you soon. God bless you. Bye-bye. I got to find all the buttons.